The Prime Minister of Tuvalu, Enele Sopoaga, visited the Pacific Islands Development Forum Secretariat in Suva today. He was given an insight into the work carried out by PIDF and the plans in place for next year.
He is the first Pacific Island leader to visit the Pacific Islands Development Forum Secretariat since its opening this year. And the Prime Minister of Tuvalu, Enele Sopoaga, looking forward to what the PIDF has to offer.
It's a great pleasure, and I think an honor for me to make a call on the PIDF Secretariat, the Secretary General, Fele Titeo, and of course his deputy Penny and all the staff members of the PIDF. It's a very, very historic, I think, occasion. I'm told that it's the first Pacific leader to visit the PIDF.
With one of his own at the head of the Secretariat, Sopoaga outlined the purpose of this trip.
And I'm so proud because Tuvalu, we have our own son, Fele Titeo, serving as the first Secretary General, albeit interim, but we are still proud. It is important for me.
Like any Pacific Islander, his concern is the reality climate change brings. For him, a solution to help his people remains key.
I was invited by the FNU, the Fiji National University, to share in the international conference they are holding on oceans and rivers, but to speak on the issue of climate change. I understand also Secretary General of the PIDF was invited, was making a presentation there. It's all about sustainable development and the security of the environment in the Pacific.
The Tuvalu Prime Minister leave Fiji this weekend. Nrubu Kelangi, Fiji One News.